back to the channel, ye salty dogs! Today we're looting a Spanish galleon and maybe making some enemies. This be what content looks like, lads. This be what content looks like, lads. Gold or guts, I'll take both. This ain't no collab, mate. This be sea on tent. World Star! They came for treasure, but stayed for the beard. Sometimes I wonder, was it all worth it? The gold, the glory, the brand deals.